Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change iPhone ringtone in iOS 17 or 18. So first go to settings and simply scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. From here you'll find this ringtone option, tap on it, and from here you can choose from these all, or you want to go to classic, tap on classic, and from here you can find many ringtones. If you want the iPhone ringtone, which is majorly used, then select it. So that's it. That's how you'll change iPhone ringtone. Thanks for watching.